Thanks for staying on Joy News today. Now, the Supreme Court has granted a request by the Attorney General's Department to be given 7 days to file a response to 3 separate suits filed in September 2016, seeking to challenge the decision by former President John Dramani Mahama to grant a pardon to Alistair Nelson, Godwin Akogan, and Salifu Marsi, who was sentenced to 3 months in prison after being found guilty of contempt of the Apex Court. This comes months after the AG's department failed to file a response to the suit. Lawyer for one of the plaintiffs in the matter, Fusua Amajay, says one relief they are seeking is to have the 3 rearrested. Joseph Akable joins us on the phone with more. Hello, Joseph.
Hello, Bennett.
So what does this exactly mean, 7 days granted to the AG's department for a response?
Well, so like you rightly pointed out, I mean, the fact of the matter is the fact that it went to be before the court as far back as September. The AG's department was supposed to file a response, which they failed to do. In fact, we're interacting with lawyer Nana Santibediato, who is currently the executive secretary to the president, that is Nana Fosu Eje, and he tells me that they even sent a petition to the CJ's department to try and get the matter heard in time. It's still delayed, and then today they had the issue of coming before the court, and Justice Apau, who heard the matter today as a sole judge, made the point that this is a very important constitutional matter that boils on the fact of the matter and will bring to bear the fact that whether the president, in exercising the discretionary powers, can exercise in terms of a contempt sentence that has been handed by the highest court of the land. And the point the AG's department, represented by Grace Upon, made was the fact that they needed some executive guidance that led to the delay. In fact, lawyers for Santiago disagreed with this point, and the judge pleaded that they would withdraw the opposition to this particular request in the interest of fairness, just to allow the 7 days, to the extent that the AG's department will be able to file the response and have the matter heard by the court, so it will put to rest. Again, another point that Justice Apau made was the fact that the court may be considering consolidating the 3 cases, because this is one case brought by Eli Kulim Agbemevia, the second person being Alfred Yeboah, and the third being Nana Santibediato. So the court may be considering putting the 3 cases together and get it as a consolidated one.
All right, Joseph, have we heard from the defendants?
We couldn't get a reaction from the Attorney General's department. The only one we got was that of open court, where they mentioned that they were grateful that the court had granted their request to have they filed a response in 7 days' time.
All right, thank you very much for those updates. Joseph Akable coming to us from the Supreme Court. And this is Joy News today. It's now time for entertainment news. Please stay with us.